Hello, everybody. Sending you all lots and lots of love. The Six of Raphael is our first card, and he wants us to embrace our inner child and also rekindle old relationships and friendships. The world is here with Archangel Michael for the now, and it says very happy endings. Things are coming to full circle, and you will get a lot of spiritual guidance and help along the way now. The next card is Ariel, and she says it's an excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Our angel card is opportunity. It's time to collaborate. The next one is ask help from others as we clear out the clutter. And the next angel card, it's all up to you. You are never alone. We are still juggling through a whole lot of things. Don't give up. Carry on letting go of things that don't align with you, and you will find peace and harmony. Our stress levels are getting lowered out, and we are finding deep happiness. But get out of your comfort zone, appreciate what you have, be grateful, but it's not time to give up. You need to carry on and find your path. There has been victories in the heavens. This is very, very good news, and we are moving towards a new positive timeline. The last card under the angel pack is big happy changes and trust your intuition. We are feeling grateful and filled with divine love and for everyone and everything around us. We connected to everything, and we're starting to feel that now. Things of the past that we couldn't do because we just weren't equipped to do. These opportunities are coming up again, and Spirit is saying, grab the opportunity. Move forward with these opportunities with self confidence and grace. Thanks for listening.